how to turn on or turn off expressive captions in live caption on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on accessibility. Then tap on hearing enhancements. After that, tap on live caption. Now scroll down and tap on expressive captions. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on expressive captions. You can also tap on the left hand side panel. In here, you can further customize other items, add styles to captions. So use text formatting to better convey tone, like capital letters for shouting. So you can turn on or turn off add styles to captions. Show sound labels, so include sounds like laughter, applause, and music. Lengthen words, so you can turn it on or off as well. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.